This is out of this world.
Let's make Fenugreek porridge or Medida Hilba. Let's start. So first add oil, then add the fenugreek seeds.
Fry it until it's golden. This I just add the water straight away. I don't want it to be really dark. So I'm just gonna add the water now. So now it started to boil, so I'm gonna turn down the heat a little bit. So here, so that's cinnamon stick. So this is cardamom, so I'm gonna just drop it in there. I'm gonna have to take them out later.
Now cover and simmer for 20 minutes until the fenugreek seeds are soft. Meanwhile, while the seeds are cooking, you mix the milk with the rest of the ingredients.
Sugar there, and then salt. Here I have the custard, and I'm just going to leave the bicarbonate soda. So this is the flour, so I'm going to mix everything in one go here. There you go. So this is now ready to be added into our fenugreek seed when it's all done. So I'll come back later. So now this is now, I've checked it, and here I could show you how it's very soft now. Look.
Here I'm taking off half the fenugreek seeds because sometimes they're a little bit bitter, so less is better. Now let's add the milk slowly while stirring continuously.
Picking up slowly. So the thing is, you have to continue, just continue to stir it. You can see now it's thickening up already. And then once that happens, then you can turn down the heat a little bit.
Now we add half a teaspoon of bicarbonate soda and mix it properly.
This is it now. It's gonna be thick, which is good and lovely. So I'm just gonna check now. Check the sugar a little bit more, so we can actually add all the sugar here. And you can use a stevia leaf if you're diabetic, because that's really nice, or xylitol is good as well. You can do that. Right. Really, you don't need to, but just a tiny little bit of cinnamon. Oh my goodness, this is out of this world. Wow. There's nothing more to be done really, so there you go. Let's see how thick. This is quite thick, so as you can see. Let's see what this color's gonna be like. Wow, this is lovely. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy, and hopefully you can do something as lovely as this. Thank you. See you in the next video.